The whipped back stitch is an excellent variation for lettering and outlines. You would start by making a base of the back stitch. Keep the stitches as consistent as possible. Work smaller stitches on curves if required. Once the base is done, bring out another thread, preferably another color, and start whipping around each stitch. Pass the thread under each stitch. Be consistent with the direction to create the whipping effect. You can move either from left to right or right to left. The right to left direction works for me. Take it to the end of the row. That is it, a wonderful way to change the look of your base stitch. If you liked this video, please let me know. Thank you for watching.